Hi viewers, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about the electronics components. As you can see, the electronics components. So first of them is a resistor, number 2 is a capacitor, number 3 inductor, diode, transistor, integrated circuit is called IC, voltage regulator, LED light emitting diode, relay, potentiometer, crystal oscillator, sensor, connector, and last one is a switch. I will discuss about these electronic component one by one of each components. I will discuss about the resistor, what is the resistor, what is the uses of the resistors, and how many ways we use in the circuit. What is the resistor? A resistor is an electronic component that limits the flow of electric current in a circuit. It is designed to have a specific resistance value which is measured in ohms. This is a symbol of a ohm. So what is the uses of resistor? Resistors are commonly used to, to control the amount of current flowing through different parts of a circuit, to divide voltages or to adjust the signal level. Okay. Use the resistor in the circuits, and first we use in series connections of the resistors or parallel connection of the resistors in the circuits. So today in this video I am going to explain the series network and how we connect the resistor in series and what will be the result. So please be with me. I will show in examples. Now suppose this one is our resistor. We are use these resistors in series. One resistor is this one, second resistor this one, and our third resistor. I connected these three resistors R1, R2 and R3 in a series. This is our series connections. And if we put a battery source at the end of like this is a negative and this is a positive terminal. This is our battery. Suppose this battery is a 12-volt battery, and is a current is flowing through this circuit. This is a series circuit. So if current is flowing through it, so current I, only the same current, because only one path, so same current I is passing through the each resistor. So if I put my multimeter across this resistor, so I will get the voltage drop across this resistor V1. Similarly, if I fix my multimeter across this resistors, so how much voltage a drop across this resistor, that will be V2. And similarly, the if I put my multimeter across this resistor, so I will get the V3 voltages. So this V1 voltage drop across R1, V2 drop across R2, and V3 drop across the R3. So we know that these voltages voltage is V, drop across these voltages V1, V2, V3 is equal to 12 volt. I know the according to the Ohm's law, according to Ohm's law, we know that V is equal to IR. If we make equation of like this, so V is equal to IR, so we have the similarly V1 is equal to IR1, V2 is equal to IR2, and V3 is equal to IR3. We know that this V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. If I put value of V1, V2, V3 in this equation, I will get his V is equal to IR and V1 is equal to IR1 plus V2 is equal to IR2 plus V3 is equal to IR3. If I get common from this, inside is R1 plus R2 plus R3. So if the question is this, IR is equal to IR1 plus R2 plus R3. If I divide it, both sides divided by I will get R1 plus R2 plus R3 over, so this I will cancel, so R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So if we put the resistor in series, it means the total resistance of the circuit is equal to the resistor, all the added all the individual resistor. Okay, so in series circuit, how much resistors we have connected in the circuits, that all circuit individually circuit added, the total resistance of the circuit will be like this.